What's going on, guys? Today I have a recipe for you today. It's my overnight oats recipe. It's really convenient just to make at night right before going to bed. Then you can just get up, take it out of the fridge, eat it, and you're on the road. So here we go. We got 5 ingredients. That's all you need. We got some oats. We got some protein powder. I use Synthesis 6. You could definitely find a leaner one. This one's 200 calories. You could find one that has about 120 calories. Chia seeds, very good. Healthy fats, high in fiber as well. And then some unsweetened almond milk. Don't go with sweetened. You'll get plenty of sweetness from the protein powder. And then blueberries. We'll go with a half cup of these. I always buy a 3-pound bag of these because I know I will go through them. So let's start weighing everything out here. Start with the oats. 1 cup is 80 grams, so we'll get to 80 grams here quickly. There. Close enough. Now the protein. It says on the label how much a full scoop is, so kind of get close. So that's 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and that is 15 grams. Done with those. Now half cup blueberries for about 93 grams, I believe, something like that, right in that area. After doing this so many times, you memorize the numbers. So it's only the first week or so you'll have to keep checking how much everything weighs. 93. Like that, and then use my dry measuring cup for my almond milk. Close enough. Bam. Okay, I will stir it up, and then it goes in the fridge, and the oats will soften, and the consistency will be fantastic. It'll taste great. I've tried multiple different flavors of protein powders with this recipe, and what I found goes best with blueberries is cinnamon roll type flavor. So you could try that out yourself and just play around with it. So this one's strawberry milkshake flavored. I think anything cinnamon roll or even peanut butter flavor would be good. Bam, there it is. All done. Now it goes in the fridge, and you can just wake up right away in the morning and eat it in about 2 minutes and get out the door. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Give this recipe a try. I'll come up with some more in the future here, and we'll just go from there.